Hey, this is Hunter at Hunterworks. We recently started selling the PowerVision 3 programmers for the Can-Am and the Polaris vehicles. I've got a lot of questions on how to calibrate your speed after you put bigger tires and a portal lift on there. And this is a great example. We have a 2019 Ranger Crew. We put a different roof rack on there. We got a back rack on it, windshield, and we also have 34-inch Blackwater ITPs on 6-inch portal lift, 30% gear reduction. I know my speed's gonna be off, and up until recently we started selling these, and I haven't had the opportunity to actually do it on my own vehicle, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you guys. So I downloaded the Speedometer app on my iPhone to tell me how fast I'm going. I don't know how accurate that is, but it's gonna be more accurate than what this is because of the applications that are on it. So I got Blue with me today. She's gonna be my co-pilot. I'm gonna hop in it right down the road. I'm gonna show you guys the difference in speed. I'm gonna hop up on my desk. I'm gonna plug the programmer in after I figure out the percentage-wise of what I need to change, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that yourself. So y'all stay tuned. So as you guys saw in the video, I was getting about a 3-mile-an-hour difference, and I was also going 30 miles an hour. I used 30 miles an hour as my test speed today because with 34-inch tires, 6-inch portals, that'd be the average speed that I'd be going in that vehicle. So with that 3-mile-an-hour difference, you have to get a percentage change in order to put that into software program and be able to get your speed right. So to get that percentage change in order to make those adjustments, I took 27 divided by 30, and I was left with 0.9. That just told me that 27 miles per hour is 90% of 30, so you have a 10% change that you need to make in order to get your speeds right. I do want to mention, I learned this the hard way. Initially, I had figured out that mine was 10%, and I had added it to my C3 tuning software, and when I added it and I reprogrammed it back to the vehicle, I took it out, and I was like, it's going to work. Well, it didn't. It slowed me down when I added it to it, so you guys don't have to learn the hard way. I'll do it for you. What you want to do, if your speed is reading 30 miles an hour, let's say on your vehicle, but you're going slower than what it's saying, then you want to subtract the percentage within the C3 tuning software, and vice versa if you were going faster than what the vehicle was telling you were going. So for another example, just to make it clear, if you had 37-inch tires, let's say Terminators, because they're really heavy, you would see a bigger difference than 3 miles an hour. You'd probably see 5 to 10. So I'll just use 10 as an example. So if you were trying to go 30 miles an hour, but you're really only reaching 20 miles an hour on the actual speed, you would take 20 divided by 30, and you would be left with 0.67. So 20 is 67% of 30. So you have a 33% change that you need to make in order to have your speeds right. Before I hop on the computer and show you guys how to use that number you just calculated percentage-wise to make those adjustments, you have to have a PowerVision 3 programmer, and you have to have a tune file that you're able to make adjustments on. You also have to have a Windows computer. You cannot use this on a MacBook. The C3 tuning software only works on a Windows computer. So I have my PowerVision 3 connected to my computer, and then I have my C3 tuning software uploaded onto my computer as well. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and you want to click Open. When you click Open, it shows your files. So within the files, if you have your PowerVision connected, a PowerVision folder magically appears. When you click on that, you're able to locate your tune file that you're going to make the adjustments to. I don't think I can show you on this screen recording, but I'm talking you through it. This is what I'm doing. So I clicked on that tune file and I clicked Open. And now you can probably see that it's brought into the C3 tuning software program. So to make that calibration change and to get your speed right, you want to go into Speed Calibration Switch. So when you click on that, first thing you want to do is enable it. Just simply clicking the button. So when you enable it, a Speed Calibration tab will pop up on the left side. So when you click on Speed Calibration, this is where you make your adjustments and use that percentage. So you have to highlight the box to make the changes. You go down to the fill box. In my case, it was a 3-mile-an-hour difference with a 10% change, so I'm going to add 10 in that box. Then I'm going to check the percentage sign, and then I'm going to click Subtract. Like I said, I learned that the hard way. This is going to make it right if you subtract it. So those are adjustments you need to make. Now you can click the Save button. It's going to ask you to confirm it, and now your tune is properly adjusted to your speed now. So at this point, you can just unplug your device, and now you're ready to upload it back onto your vehicle. So what you want to do now is grab your flash harness, connect it to your vehicle. You've got to find your OBD port within your vehicle, and then you want to connect your device to it, turn your key on, go into Flash Tune Settings, click that tune that you made the adjustment to, and then go ahead and flash it to your vehicle, and then you should be good to go. And now I'm going to hop back into the Ranger. I'm going to show you guys how it adjusted and show you guys how it corrected. So hopefully this video is very helpful for you guys. If you have any more questions, just hit me up, hunter@hunterworks.com. I'm over all the PowerVision 3s here at Hunterworks. Also, I do want to mention, Hunterworks has the best belts on the planet. We offer them for different Polaris models and Can-Am models. Y'all go check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have any more questions, just hit us up. Thank you guys for watching.